Did you know? Ants in Arizona aren't just after your food, they're after your water. In hot, dry places like Phoenix, ants invade homes looking for moisture. That's why you'll often find them in kitchens, bathrooms, and near sinks. So how do you stop them without toxic chemicals? First, grab some vinegar. Mix it with water and spray it directly on ants. It kills them instantly, and more importantly, it erases their scent trails so others can't follow. Next, use something called diatomaceous earth. It's a natural powder that dries ants out when they walk through it. Just sprinkle it along baseboards and entry points. Now here's the part most people miss. You have to go outside, find the nest, usually small dirt mounds, and pour boiling water directly into it. That's how you stop the colony at the source. And finally, keep your home dry. Fix leaks, wipe counters, and don't leave water sitting out overnight. Do all that, and you won't just kill ants, you'll keep them from coming back. Now you know.